You don't need a massive budget to find high-end patio pieces. I found 25 outdoor pieces at Dollarama and the thrift store that look so high-end nobody would ever guess where they're from. I'm Megan, and today we're shopping for everything from baskets, lanterns, planters, even a statement piece I cannot wait to show you guys. And I'm using all of these for a full patio makeover video coming soon. Make sure you stick around because the last find in this video is something I have literally never seen before. We're going through every outdoor aisle and I'm only picking pieces that look expensive. Anything plasticky or cheap looking stays on the shelf. Let's get into it. We're starting with lighting because this is where Dollarama really delivered this year, and good lighting gives your outdoor space an instant upgrade for not a lot of money. You guys, the solar lights here this year are insane. So first up, these glass solar lights, these are $4.25 each and come in a variety of colors. Look at the glass on these. They look like the ones from HomeSense that are $15 each. I'm grabbing a couple of these for sure. They also have these beautiful flower solar lights that are normally $15 to $20 each at the bigger box retailers. One of my favorite solar path lights they carry this year are these ones. While others are a cheap plastic, these ones are heavy glass. You can feel the quality with these ones. Then we have this puck solar light. I love these because you can stick them in a planter or in the ground for some uplight. No one will know this is from the dollar store, and it's great for some more accent lighting. Okay, these string solar lights, $5. I am obsessed. They have the warm white bulbs, which is what you want for that high-end outdoor vibe. Stay away from the cool white ones. They give an instant cheap look. Always go warm white. You can add these to a lantern or around your plants or the trunks of your trees for a high-end look. And look at these hurricane glass jars. These are $5 each. I'm grabbing two. The rope detail on them is very coastal, very high end. You can put an LED candle in these at night or those string lights that we just seen, and you would swear they're from a boutique. But wait until you see what's next. So this hanging planter is $5. They are so high end because of the woven finish and they have the plastic inside so you can use them outside and use a real plant in it. You can hang this on the hook of your patio, put a fern in it, instant high end. Okay, so their basket game is great, but wait until you see these pots that they have. I love the fluted ones and the white speckled and these classic style as well. But while most people would just buy the pots and stop there, I want to show you something that you could easily do to elevate the space even more. So if you take two pots, one of a smaller size than the other one, turn the smaller one upside down, and then lay the larger pot on the top, it gives you more of an urn style planter. Right away creates more visual interest because of the height, and it gives it a more high-end look. These plant pot holders on wheels are fantastic, especially for those heavy pots. Once they're filled with soil, they're really hard to move around, and it keeps the pots off the wood of the patio to allow air to circulate, which saves the wood and keeps bugs away. This year, they have the adjustable ones, so these ones can be adjusted to fit whatever size pot that you have. So this is one of those practical finds, and nobody sees the wheels. They just see a styled plant. They also have these little plant stands here that you can use to elevate your plants so you can have them various heights. But another quick thing that you can use if you want a super easy accent table, you just grab one of these plant stands, grab a woven placemat here at Dollarama, and lay it on top. You can glue it on if you want, or you can just lay it on to give a very cute accent table. Finding more high-end metal items instead of plastic, these little hanging planters are here for $2 each. I'm going to pick up the orange because they're more neutral than the green or the pink color. And I'm also going to pick up these larger ones. They have a cream, a beige, and a green, which are beautiful muted colors. I'm going to pick up two of these as well. I have a little hack for these that you're going to want to see in next week's video. Now, these metal buckets are not in the seasonal aisle, they're actually in the crafting aisle, but I will be picking up a couple of these and the large galvanized buckets that they have below. These are great for planters. I'm going to be doing a Pottery Barn dupe using this next week, so make sure you subscribe. I'm also grabbing a couple of terracotta pots. These are for DIY. I'm going to show you next week, so keep an eye out on that. But even on their own, terracotta is always high end. Always. And for our avid gardeners that are watching, not only do they have great plant pots, they also have these raised garden beds in this year. Now, I will tell you there's only 2 panels in a pack for $5. So to get the square look that's on the package, you would need 2 packs of these. But still, $10 for a raised garden bed is unheard of. They also have this white trellis that is really cute for $4.25. So you can add this to the raised garden bed and make a really nice garden. Now, we're going to talk about fake flowers. I know what you're thinking. Fake, but look at these. The key is you want natural colors, not the yellowy, bright, limey green stuff. And they're great as well for this time of year if you live in a climate like mine where you can't put out real flowers yet because it still has a chance of frost. These ones from the dollar store are cheap, but they look great and give an instant pop of color. All right, so we've got the plants, but a patio isn't just about plants. Let's get into some bigger pieces. Okay, a hammock from Dollarama. This is $5. Are you kidding me? Now, this is the kind of find you would walk right past because you don't expect it to be so good. But it's really nice material. They have it in great colors, and these are selling online right now for about $100. This is going to look amazing between 2 trees or a stand for a nice, relaxing find. If you thought the hammock was a great find, you're going to love these next two. First, an indoor-outdoor tablecloth that has so many applications, and a beach mat. I recently used both in my Dollarama front porch refresh that you can find right here. I made the tablecloth into beautiful cushions and used the beach mat as an accent mat to my front door. You can even glue multiple mats together to create a large outdoor area rug for your patio. But my absolute favorite category is the accent pieces, because this is where the HomeSense dupes live. This cement bird feeder is $5. I saw almost the exact same thing at HomeSense for $20. The cement finish on it is so nice and heavy, it gives me a high-end vibes for sure. This might be the best find of the day. And it can hang, so you can hang this on a hook or in the tree or have it out on your patio. So many uses for this one. And I love this little bunny reading a book. They have really cute statues in Dollarama. I love the little gnomes, but this bunny reading the book or the owl, they are my favorite. I know it's so cute, and I use it at Easter too, so it's double duty. I can put it out on the patio all summer, and then I decorate it for Easter in the spring. But I didn't just go to Dollarama. I wanted to find some bigger pieces as well, and while Dollarama had a lot of metal wall art, it just wasn't speaking to me. So here's my first thrift find. This metal flower wall art. Look at the detail on this. It would be over $40 plus at a home decor store. I'm going to spray paint this and hang it on the patio wall, and you'll see that in the makeover. Somewhere that you wouldn't think of finding material for outdoor cushions is the shower curtain aisle. I found this shower curtain for $3. It gave instant vintage vibes, and it has embroidery at the top with the birds, which I just love. And because it's a shower curtain, you know that it's water resistant, so it will be okay for outdoor cushions. You'll see the full DIY next week, but trust me, you are going to love it. As I was looking, I saw this metal ice bucket and it instantly gave me an idea. You can use these on their own, obviously, on as patio decor, but I also have an idea for a DIY that I'm going to show you next week, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I have planned for this one. It's going to be a statement piece on the patio. They have one with the handle. I don't need the handle for the DIY, so I'm just going to go with the cheaper option, and I think it'll work great. So that's everything from the thrift store except for one thing. And you guys, this is my hero find. I've never ever seen anything like this before. These are light up fake tulips. This is my favorite find, and I'm so excited. I found very similar ones on Amazon that I've linked right here for you. So next week I'm taking every single one of these finds and I'm transforming my patio. Between the tablecloth DIY, shower curtain pillows, ice bucket hack, all of it, the full reveal. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it because the makeover is going to be a good one. If you would like to see my other Dollarama and thrift store finds that didn't make the cut, I have an exclusive opportunity for you. I am so excited to invite you to be a founding member of the new Crave Community Membership. What is it, you ask? This is a place to share, learn, and decorate together. I've created two ways to join. Under this video, you will see the word join. Here you can choose one of two options. Crave Crew, which is a recurring monthly payment of $7.49 Canadian, that's only about $5 US, you become part of the inner circle. You get access to exclusive badges and emojis, priority comment replies, and most importantly, you will get monthly exclusive behind the scenes content, the unfiltered clips that don't make the final cut. You'll also get to vote in exclusive polls that will directly shape the future of this channel because I want to hear from you. If you want to go even deeper, I've created the Crave Collective. For $14.99 a month, you get everything from the Crave crew, but also what I'm most excited about, monthly live streams. Imagine come decorate with me sessions, DIY tutorials, Dollarama shopping live, and dedicated live Q&As where I will tackle your biggest design dilemmas. If you're as excited as I am to be part of this channel in a brand new way, click that join button now. You'll see it right under this video. And don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. I'll still be posting weekly videos for you to enjoy. Let me know in the comments which find was your favorite and what you would spend your money on for your patio this summer. And if you want more high-end Dollarama hacks, check out my porch refresh video right here. We'll see you in the next one.